What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be rolling fenders. This is going to be my first time doing it. We're going to do it on the Integra because I got some new wheels, but you're going to have to watch the next episode for that. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, you're going to need a fender roller. This one's made by Eastwood. Pretty sure any fender roller will work. And you're gonna need a good heat gun. Shout out to my homie Josh, Simply Clean, for letting me borrow it. And we're gonna go ahead and tackle the rear. So here's the fender well. I don't know what the hell that is. But anyway, we're gonna need to fold this lip back so we can fit the new wheels. Alright, you guys, so I watched a couple of YouTube videos to see if we can do this. So the first thing they tell you to do is clean all the dirt underneath. Get all the rocks and shit off. Man, it's hella dirty. Alright. Oh yeah, I'll let the e-brake down. Okay. Got it all set up. So on the other people's YouTube videos, they say to start right here on the bottom so that you fold the lip in into like a J shape, then it'll go into a V shape, and then it'll get flat. So that's why it's on the bottom right now. The next thing we're gonna do, get your heat gun, turn it on high, gonna warm up the fender. So I'm gonna have to do this side with more angle, I guess, because this side is flat. Dang, this sucks. I didn't know there was rust forming. Well, race car. Alright, that's pretty much as good as it's gonna get right now. So that started to chip, paint started to come off because it was rusted, and I had one little crack right here, but it should be fine. All right, let me go ahead and do the other side, the same steps. So I already knocked out the driver's side front. It's pretty much the same process as doing the back. Let me just show you guys. So I got one more side to do. It looks like it's about to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. All right, y'all, it's the next day. Yesterday it started to rain right after the last clip, but I got all the fenders rolled. I did an okay job. I did mess up a little bit, but that was to be expected. Just want to throw a little disclaimer out there. I'm not responsible for your fender rolling if you watch this video and try to learn off of it, because I'm not a professional. But alright, the tires and the lug nuts came in yesterday, and the tires and wheels mounted at my buddy's shop. So on the next video you're gonna see the new wheels on the car. So go ahead and do me a favor and subscribe if you guys want to see more content. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what wheels you think I got. And if you guys like the video or dislike the video, go ahead and like the video. But I'll see you guys on the next episode. Have a good day. Peace out, yo.